Hey guys, today we're going to be doing how to see your video through text. Again, very simple thing to do. So if we just drag in my clip, which is my clip is this. Standard, just looking at the beach waves coming in. So what we have to do then is press T, drag on here, and we can write summer. Now my font is actually Impact, which is just perfect for this. So what we have to do then is go to Effects, type Track, then you have Track Matte Key, drag the Track Matte Key onto the video clip, make your text same length as the video, then go to Effect Controls, down to Track Matte Key, go down to Matte, click this where it says None, and go to Video 2. Because our text is on the Video 2 line, when we click that, it comes up with the video behind the text. So if we then can move it round, we can make the text bigger, smaller if we wanted to. There we go. And if I was to play it, you can see the waves coming in behind it, and there's more stuff you can do to make it look a lot better. We can change the font if you want. See that. Again, you need big, bold font to be better. See, that's not very nice. We could even go for this. So you can still do it, still sees it. And that's basically how you do it. It's very easy to do. There's certain things you can do with it. There's certain things you do this for. Maybe you want to, for example, it's not going to look great, but if we delete that text, delete that video, I could even get, say, this in, where it's just smoke. Press T and write smoke. Then, same process as before, make it bigger, put the Track Matte Key in, put that to video 2, and then we got the smoke behind it. Now you can't see the word smoke because it's all the colour, it's all the colour black, but if we was to play it, you can slowly see the smoke and the word becomes visible as certain smoke comes up. See, that bit looks really good. And if you used to make the text bigger, and I mean, there's different things you can do. So that's a quick guide on how to put a video in a text. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave some comments below, and cheers.